In today's video, I will walk you through how to convert number to words in Google Sheets. First, install the NUMBERTEXT add-on. Click Extensions, hover over Add-ons, and select Get Add-ons. In the Google Workspace Marketplace, search for NUMBERTEXT, select it from the results, and click Install. If you're asked to authorize access, allow the required permissions. Once the add-on is installed, go to the sheet containing the number you want to convert. If your number is in cell A2, click the cell where you want the words to appear. Enter the NUMBERTEXT formula using A2 as the cell reference, INR as the currency code, and HI as the language code for Hindi. If your number is in a different cell, replace A2 with the correct cell reference. Press Enter and wait a moment for the result to load. The number will be converted into words in Hindi with the INR currency format. If the result doesn't appear correctly, check the formula for any typing errors, especially in the cell reference, currency code, or language code. That's all it takes to convert numbers to words in Google Sheets using NUMBERTEXT. Thank you for watching the video.